Well, Matt and Betsy are joining us now. This first little taste of winter has been interesting so far. What's it going to look like over the weekend, guys?
I got to tell you, this was an easy peasy first taste of winter as far as Northeast Ohio standards go. A little bit of snow, and now we get a lot of cold, especially for the morning tomorrow. We're going to be settling back toward record lows. So we're going to be flirting around those numbers. Matt, you've got a little bit more insight on just how cold those numbers are.
Yeah, if it's any key towards how cold this air mass is, International Falls, Minnesota, the icebox of the country up towards northern Minnesota. Last night, their record was 0. They dropped to -13, so they shattered the record up there. Thankfully, we're not going to be that cold. We're not going to get that cold tonight, thankfully. But take a look at some of these numbers. These are the records. We will be flirting with them, as Betsy mentioned. 21 degrees, the record low in Cleveland, 18 Akron, and 11 in Mansfield. And we do think that we may tie or break that record in Cleveland and Akron. Mansfield, that's going to be tough to come by. So it's going to be a cold night tonight. Over the next 12 hours, we're talking temps settling back through the 20s and eventually back into the teens as those skies continue to clear out. But still some snow out there. Betsy, you've got that over on the wall.
Yeah, and I think it's areas where we're already starting to see the snow clearing out, the winds calming down, even the clouds beginning to clear. That's where our coldest temperatures will be achieved. That also happens to be out toward the state line area. We still have light flurries going on throughout about the western half of northern Ohio. West of 77 is a good line there. We've got some snow in Medina County, flurries down into Wayne County, Ashland, Lorain County, seeing some of those beautiful snowflakes coming down. And they have been pretty. You know, last night it was kind of a grainy, nasty snow that fell. That did quickly accumulate, then it went away. Today it's been more flurry-rific, and that's because we've had the colder temperatures, a little bit less humidity as well. That is a big key in the forecast for tonight. Notice in Ashtabula, it's 23 degrees right now. It's 21 in Youngstown. Those are the areas where we're expecting the coldest temperatures to come around. We still have breezes blowing out to the west, so that means the air temperatures and the wind chills, there's a greater divide there. At the Cuyahoga County Airport, the wind chill's only 15. So you see Ashtabula, that same temperature, same wind chill, there's no wind to report. It's calm wind right now. That actually helps the temperatures to come down a lot faster. But notice this northeast wind that we have. This is a big key to the forecast too for the next several days because the northeast wind won't be lasting long. I can't help but show you the visible satellite picture from the afternoon courtesy of the GOES 16 satellite. This is just phenomenal resolution, really cool stuff to see. But you can kind of see the swirl that's happening here, how all of these bands are shifting, and that is because high pressure is banked up to the north of us. High pressure has a settling effect of the atmosphere, and it slings the air outward in a clockwise fashion. That's why the snow bands today have been shifting. So you can literally see how the snow bands, especially off Lake Huron, see how it just kind of pivots a little bit. Our own snow band started off at Ashtabula County, and now it's clear out to the west toward Lorain County. So the pivot is on. That is because of high pressure. And we are going to pause for just a moment to appreciate how fantastic this picture is. Oh, that's so pretty. It is beautiful. It's amazing to get that resolution. And this is the first winter we are getting it. So it's kind of fun and nerding out with me. I appreciate you just hanging with me there. Temperatures. Low to mid-teens possible toward the state line area. I think mid-teens will be the rule in those eastern areas, while 15 to 20 throughout a good part of northern Ohio. This is why we say we're flirting with the records, because any cloud cover will hold temperatures up a little bit, and if the winds don't go calm, that'll help to hold the temperatures up too. That being said, 9 a.m. we'll still be in the 20s. Wind chills will be in the 20s as well, and by noon, look at this, we got sunshine to talk about, just a few clouds hanging around for the day. High thin clouds are going to come and go as we go through the afternoon, but look, we'll be back up to about 40 as we go through the afternoon Saturday. On Sunday, we'll be just a couple clicks warmer as well. There's a look at your Universal Windows Direct forecast. Veterans Day looks partly cloudy, 40 degrees after that very cold start. 46 on Sunday. Now we'll have rain chances moving in through the day on Sunday. That will lead us into Monday with mostly cloudy skies and upper 40s. And then like nothing happened, we're right back into the 50s, even approaching the 60-degree mark possibly by Friday. But remember, this time of the year, what goes up will come down, and there are indications that we could have a storm system that'll bring cold air back next weekend. So that's going to be the one to watch all next week.
Little Thanksgiving timing there.
We'll see what happens.
Okay.
All right, Betsy, thank you.
And Matt, thank you.